And just like that, I am now a Ducati guy. Saw a listing for a Ducati Bronco, 1960s Ducati Bronco on Marketplace, and the guy was up for trades for small displacement mini bikes, or small displacement trail bike, I think is exactly what the request was. So I went and took the Yamaha MX-80 that I had, or the GT80. I went and took the GT80 that I had, and proposed a trade, and we struck a deal, and here I am now. I've got 1, 2, 3, so 4 engines and boxes of stuff. Truth be told, I've never heard of the Ducati Bronco until now. Probably should have done research before I went to look for it, because I can't find. There's not a whole lot on the push rod Ducati. Everything Ducati is it's a bevel drive, the camshaft, and this is just your standard push rod configuration. So yeah, gonna figure this all out as I go, I guess, right? Boom. So yeah, like I said, box of parts. I got headlights and tail light. I've got heads and valve covers. And crankshafts. I mean, yeah. I've got a whole bunch of stuff to kind of figure out. So what I want to do first is put it together, right? Put it together, that's how I'm going to know. Because I don't know what's supposed to be here. So I put it together, I figure I'll figure it out. So that's what's going to happen first. here we are. Looks like a motorcycle. Pretty cool. Things I noticed I don't have. I have a throttle for it. I don't have any levers. So that's, I have to get some levers. Nothing here though. Oh, cables. Sorry, I don't have any cables. I don't have cables for the clutch, and I don't have cables for to work the brakes. Right. So between the 4 engines here, we'll see if we can get one of them to run. Yeah. So that's all I got for now. Hopefully next time you see this, we'll have something making noise and or smoke.